William Shakespeare, the bard who shaped literature and the hypothetical playwright of the 21st century. Welcome to World Changers Top, the channel where we uncover the lives and legacies of history's most extraordinary figures. Today, we dive into the world of William Shakespeare, the legendary playwright and poet whose works have transcended time and space. From the timeless dramas of Hamlet and Romeo and Juliet to his profound influence on the English language, Shakespeare's genius continues to resonate. But what if Shakespeare lived in the 21st century? Would he create blockbuster movie scripts or write hit plays for Broadway? Join us as we explore the incredible life, works, and a fun hypothetical take on how Shakespeare would navigate the modern world. The life of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on April 23, 1564, in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. His father, John Shakespeare, was a glove maker and local politician, while his mother, Mary Arden, came from a prosperous farming family. Despite his relatively humble beginnings, Shakespeare's legacy would surpass those of kings and queens. Little is known about Shakespeare's early education, but it's believed he attended the local grammar school, where he studied Latin, literature, and classical authors like Ovid and Virgil. These early influences would later shape his poetic style and storytelling. At the age of 18, Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, with whom he had 3 children, Susanna, and twins Hamlet and Judith. By his late 20s, Shakespeare had moved to London, where he began his career in theater, a decision that would change the face of literature forever. The rise of the bard, Shakespeare's career. Shakespeare's career as a playwright flourished during the late 16th and early 17th centuries. He became part of the Lord Chamberlain's Men, popular acting company, which later became the King's Men under royal patronage. His plays were performed at the Globe Theatre, drawing crowds from all walks of life. Over his lifetime, Shakespeare wrote 39 plays, 154 sonnets, and several narrative poems. His works are traditionally divided into 3 categories: tragedies, Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, King Lear. These plays explore themes of ambition, revenge, love, and the human condition. Comedies, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Twelfth Night, The Taming of the Shrew. These works are filled with humor, mistaken identities, and social satire. Histories, Henry V, Richard III, Julius Caesar. These plays dramatize the lives of kings and political leaders, offering commentary on power and governance. Shakespeare's writing was groundbreaking. He elevated the English language, crafting poetic dialogue and coining over 1.700 new words and expressions, such as break the ice, foregone conclusion, and all that glitters is not gold. His works delved into universal themes: love, jealousy, betrayal, ambition that remain relevant to this day. Impact on literature and culture. Shakespeare's influence extends far beyond the stage. His works have inspired countless adaptations in literature, film, and art. Iconic examples include film adaptations like Romeo and Juliet, 1996, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Claire Danes, and Hamlet, 1990, featuring Mel Gibson. Modern reimaginings, such as West Side Story, which reinterprets Romeo and Juliet in 20th century New York. His sonnets, such as Sonnet 18, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, remain some of the most celebrated love poems in history. His works have also shaped the way we understand character development and storytelling. Complex characters like Hamlet, Lady Macbeth, and Prospero challenge audiences to reflect on morality, ambition, and the human experience. Fascinating stories about Shakespeare. The mystery of the lost years. Little is known about Shakespeare's life between 1585 and 1592. Some speculate he worked as a schoolteacher, soldier, or even a glove maker like his father during this period. The authorship debate. Despite his fame, some scholars question whether Shakespeare truly wrote all his works. Theories suggest that other figures, such as Christopher Marlowe or Francis Bacon, may have contributed. The curse of his tombstone. Shakespeare's epitaph warns against disturbing his grave. It reads, "Good friend, for Jesus' sake forbear, to dig the dust enclosed here. Blessed be the man that spares these stones, and cursed be he that moves my bones." Hypothetical Shakespeare in the 21st century. If Shakespeare lived in today's world, his creativity would find new and exciting outlets. Here's how the Bard might navigate modern times. Hollywood screenwriter. Shakespeare's talent for drama and dialogue would make him a sought-after screenwriter. Imagine him penning scripts for blockbusters like Inception or The Dark Knight. Social media star. On platforms like Twitter, Shakespeare could share poetic lines daily, gaining millions of followers with his wit and wordplay. Broadway icon. With his knack for crafting unforgettable stories, Shakespeare might dominate Broadway with modern musicals or experimental theater. AI and technology. Shakespeare could harness artificial intelligence to generate infinite variations of his plays, blending traditional and futuristic storytelling. Global activist. Using his platform, Shakespeare might address issues like climate change, inequality, and global peace, crafting speeches that rival his famous monologues. Why Shakespeare's teachings matter today. Shakespeare's works continue to offer valuable lessons. On love, his exploration of romantic love, as seen in Romeo and Juliet, reminds us of its joys and tragedies. On ambition, characters like Macbeth caution against unchecked ambition and greed. On power, his histories delve into the complexities of leadership, showing the delicate balance between authority and morality. His insights into human nature remain timeless, helping us understand ourselves and the world around us. William Shakespeare wasn't just a playwright. He was a visionary whose words continue to shape the way we think, feel, and express ourselves. From the stages of Elizabethan England to the digital screens of the 21st century, his legacy lives on. Thank you for watching this exploration of Shakespeare's life and works on World Changers Top. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let us know in the comments which historical figure you'd like us to feature next. See you in the next video.